In this video, I will take a deep dive into the LG 27GN950B-B to see if it remains a top contender for gamers and professionals alike. This monitor is famous for being one of the first to offer a gorgeous 4K resolution paired with a blisteringly fast 144Hz refresh rate. When you first turn it on, the Nano IPS panel immediately grabs your attention with incredibly vibrant colors and sharp details that make every image pop. It covers a vast range of the color gamut, which is fantastic news if you spend your time editing photos or videos between gaming sessions. On the gaming front, the 1 millisecond response time ensures that fast action feels smooth without the annoying blur often found on slower screens. However, there are a few things you should consider before hitting that buy button. While the HDR 600 rating sounds impressive on paper, the lack of full-array local dimming means the contrast levels won't rival an expensive OLED display. This means blacks can look a bit gray in a dark room. You also need a powerful graphics card to truly push these frames at high settings. The build quality is solid, with nice RGB lighting on the back, but the stand takes up quite a bit of desk space. Ultimately, if you want a high-performance bridge between professional color accuracy and elite gaming speed, this monitor is still a fantastic choice for your setup. It delivers a premium experience that is very hard to beat even today.